safe at your home. So first of all, a very happy Diwali and also a happy new year to all of you. Okay, so I know you all have enjoyed your vacation. So now let us get back to our studies. Yes or no? So today we are going to start with chapter number 6, A Pod of My Own. Let us begin. Paragraph 1. The Diwali holiday was a thrilling time for Nancy and me. We were visiting my uncle in London. I was excited because the last time we were there, I wanted to ride on the London Eye, but couldn't because Nancy was too scared. This time I was sure I would not miss it. So here again, just like us, it was a Diwali time, and Nancy and me means Nancy and the writer, both they both were siblings, so they were visiting their uncle in London. So last time when the writer was visiting London, he was not able to ride on London Eye because his sister was scared to ride on that London Eye. So he told that this time I am sure I am not going to miss that. Next paragraph. Our jet landed at Heathrow Airport at a very convenient time, 11 a.m. Since Mum had been there many times before, she had told her brother that we would reach his place on our own. I was glad that she had because I got to ride in a new mode of transport that everybody was talking about. So in this second paragraph, we came to know that the writer and their family had landed at Heathrow Airport at 11 a.m. So writer's mother had visited London many a time, so she told her brother that they all will reach at their place by their own because her mother knew all the modes of transportation. So the writer was very much excited. Why he was excited? Because they were going to transport in a new mode of vehicle, which everybody was talking about. So in the next paragraph, let us see what was the new mode of transportation. So the new transport system is the pods. From what I had heard, they were also called Ultra PRT. ULT stands for Urban Light Transport and PRT means Personal Rapid Transit. But to me, pod sounded cute. So the writer was going to writer was going to use this transportation which was called as pods. So it is Ultra PRT. As I told you earlier, ULT means Urban Light Transport and PRT means Personal Rapid Transit. I was curious. We headed towards the car park station with our luggage. The station's automatic glass doors opened up to these high-tech little vehicles. They were queuing up outside, waiting for passengers. They looked tiny, like tiny hatchback cars, but almost completely oblong in shape. I could hardly see the rubber wheels in the front windows. Reminded me of the adorable face of a honeybee with long black eyes. So now in this paragraph, there is an introduction of the pod. How does the pod look like to the writer? So the writer and the family, they were standing near the station, car park station with their luggages, and they were waiting for the pod to arrive. So as soon as the pod arrived, here is some introduction which the writer has given. So the pod looked very high tech, means it was the pod consisted of a very nice and high technology. They were queuing up outside. Queuing means they were standing in a line and waiting for the pod to come. So the structure of the pod was like a tiny car, tiny hatchback car, but it was in which shape? Oblong shape. Oblong means long and narrow. As you can see in the picture, there is a picture of the pod and the writer's family are waiting for the pod to arrive. So there were no so the writer was not able to see any wheels. Okay, the front shape of the pod reminded him of honey bee with long and black eyes. Okay, I hope you all have understood this page. Thank you and have a nice day.